Hello and welcome in Bansal Classes, an Institute of Science and Technology. This video is in the continuation of my first video. It is on fossil fuel coal. First, we will understand the term fuels. That is, what are fuels? The materials which are burned to produce heat energy are known as fuels. Second term is fossil fuels. The fuels that were formed from the dead remains of living organisms are all known as fossil fuels. Now I'll discuss about the coal. You may have seen coal or heard about the coal. Coal is a black or brownish black sedimentary rock which is primarily composed of carbon. In addition to carbon, it may also contain sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen as secondary constituents. We can see this is the picture of coal. How had coal formed? About 300 million years ago, the Earth had dense forests of very large trees in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding and earthquakes, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature and pressure rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high temperature and pressure, these dead vegetation got slowly converted to coal. As coal contained mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Where do we get coal from? The coal is obtained by surface mining and underground mining. If special care is not taken, both type of mining cause environmental pollution. Surface mining destroys trees and other vegetation, which in turn destroy wildlife, pollute air and water sources. The underground mining may pollute underground water by releasing acidic substances. In this picture, we can see surface mining of coal. This picture is of underground mining of coal. Now I'll discuss types of coal. On the basis of calorific value, the coal can be classified as anthracite, bituminous coal, subbituminous coal, lignite, peat and graphite. Anthracite is the highest grade coal and peat is of the lowest grade coal. However, graphite isn't used as fuel. The calorific value of coal is about 25,000 to 33,000 kilojoule per kilogram. Usage of coal. Earlier, coal was one of the fuel to cook food. Later on, it was used to run the steam engine in railway. Coal is also used as fuel in various industries. Coal is also used in thermal power plant to produce electricity. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coal gas, coal tar, and coke. When coal is heated in the absence of oxygen, we get gaseous component is called coal gas. Liquid component is called coal tar, ammonia, and the black residue which left is called coke. Coal gas is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Coal tar is a black thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It's a mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as raw materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industries like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paint, photographic materials, roofing material, etc. Interestingly, naphthalene balls used to repel moth and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Coke is a tough, porous, and black substance. It's an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Production of electricity cause environmental pollution. The production of electricity using coal in thermal power plants result into following consequences. Number 1, millions ton of ash, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and particulate matter is thrown in the atmosphere. This pollute air to a large extent. Number 2, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Increasing of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere results global warming. Number 3, sulfur dioxide gas result into acid rain which harms vegetation, aquatic life, other organisms and man-made structures. Number 4, thermal power plant may be far away from the coal mines. Therefore, transportation of coal to plant consume a fraction of electricity that it produces. Keeping these consequences in mind, save electricity and save our environment. Top 10 coal reserve countries. Number 1, USA. Number 2, Russia. Number 3, Australia. Number 4, China. Number 5, India. Number 6, Indonesia. Number 7, Germany. Number 8, Ukraine. Number 9, Poland. And number 10, Kazakhstan. Top 5 coal reserve states in India. Number 1, Jharkhand. Number 2, Odisha. Number 3, West Bengal. Number 4, Bihar. And number 5, Chhattisgarh. It should be remembered the energy which we get from coal is the solar energy that was captured by the process of photosynthesis millions years ago. This is all about the coal. You may comment for continuous improvement and encouragement. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.